Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energies, Cancers. I'll be picking few cards, guys, for your relationship and your career situation. I'll be picking cards from the other decks. So for your daily reading, Cancers, 6 of Cups in reverse, 7 of Swords in reverse, and 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, I see that in your situation, some things, maybe some projects, or it may be something to do with your work or personal life, something which you trusted and had faith, that may go wrong. You were wishing those things to come true, maybe some choices or decisions that you made, so that may go against your expectations, guys, and that may be worrying you. And maybe for in certain paths or some choices, whatever you were expecting something in future, that may come even before that expected timeline. So something coming in quickly, some kind of successful outcome, a prosperous outcome may come even before that expected timeline, so you can be happy for it. And I also see that there are people today, Cancers, helping you or suggesting you some things, telling you what you need to do. People who have that true love and concern on you, suggesting you certain things, or they may tell you some news about some gossips or some third hand information passing around about you. So you need to be quite careful with people whom you cannot trust. So some people are having that truthful concern on you, bringing to your notice that there are some people or some kind of gossips going around. And though these people are giving you good counsel, you are not taking that up. You are neglecting their advice today. You may feel that you don't need their suggestions on anything. So you know what you want to do. So you are neglecting their advice or suggestions today, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. It's 5 of Suns, the Sun, and the Devil in reverse. So with these cards, it just means that in your situation today, guys, you are moving towards that abundance and success. Whatever choices that you take up, you are seeing success in that path, and you are quite happy because of how things are going today. And you have that confidence and that strength and clarity in your mind. You know what you need to do. And there are people really concerned for you, concerned for your health and well-being in your career. It may be they're concerned for your work and for your success. So they are helping you or guiding you today. And you have that strength, determination, and confidence, and you are enjoying success today in your career situation, guys. So whatever path you take up, you are enjoying the success, things going in a positive way. And maybe for some of you, you may be too proud about your situation today, proud about yourself, your skills and talents to make things go in this direction, to what to say, experience this happiness and joy because of how things are going in a very positive way. That greater potential for success, wealth and prosperity today, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. But you should not forget the people who are helping you today in your work, and you should not be too proud thinking of your skills and talents. You have to have that humility to make this success last long, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your career situation. For your relationship, I'll be picking cards from this deck. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. Temptation, Two of Fire, Eight of Earth. So with these cards in your situation, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about them, guys. You are planning this future with this person. You have love and you are working on this relationship. You have that understanding with this person, and today you are thinking about that your future with this person and what is the outcome. Maybe for some of you, you are too addicted to this person. You share a very intimate relationship with them. You may be addicted to them, maybe to this person, maybe to their company. You just want to be with them, always spend time with them, always, and you are focused on maybe the physical aspects of this relationship and not on that deep understanding or that deep connection. You are too attached to this person, so you have to maybe keep a check on that, guys. So if you want to make this relationship go in a positive way, you have to go for that deep, meaningful understanding, caring, respect, and that desire to know each other's likes, dislikes, aspirations, goals, whatever it is. And today you are working on that also, guys. That is also what I see. So you are using your experience, learning with your past experience, whatever that is, and applying that on this connection, making working towards that deep, meaningful connection. So your attachment, you are changing it into that deep, meaningful bond with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your daily reading. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.